Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the tables turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel you see me, I feel you see me do my da. Tell me about that when you walk out, when the girl from my church. Yeah, okay. You need to get done, and the work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work. You see me out there, work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, when the cat from my church. Okay, y'all. I done had Cheesecake Factory. I had my Impossible Burger. That's what I came for. My sweet potato fries and my salad. It was amazing. It's always amazing. Always. Cheesecake Factory never disappoints. And then me and the bestie, we went to Norfolk Mall for a bit. So yeah, now I'm headed to the house. I want to go to the casino, but you know how they go. I don't know. He may say he tired, so we may be just chilling, but we'll see. I need to go to the casino. Win what? Maybe no less than 1,000. I'll be cool with 3,000. I will be. I'm not greedy, y'all. I'm not greedy. But 1,000 would be nice, but 3,000 would be real nice. Yeah. I know I'm full. I don't think I want nothing else to eat for today. So, okay. Oh, y'all, I got to work on my intro and my outro. My son told me I need to work on that. Because sometimes I'll just pick up the camera and just start talking. And I just get off. I don't say like, comment, subscribe, none of that. So I got to work on that. So just be patient. I'm new here. I'm trying. Right? So, okay. So I'll talk to y'all a little later. Hopefully it's at the casino and I'll be winning. Right?